Okay, first I want to say hello, Art, and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. My name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company and your exposure online with Google. I'll go over three key factors that you need to rank your business on Google, and that'll increase your exposure. You need content, backlinks, and citation. Now, understand obviously every time that you are typing something into the search, you're typing in keywords, and Google uses that to find websites that best fit the search for what you just typed in there. It's called search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keyword or words that are being typed in here. This is how they establish rank because Google will start to categorize these websites. So you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the keywords that are needed. So for an example here, I wanted to show you, I have your website here. I did type in auto repair Richmond, Virginia, but I did not see you on the first page and I did not see you in the map. So I wanted to explain a little bit about that. First off, citations is something I mentioned that you need. Citation is what helps you rank in the map. Citation is anything that has name, address, and phone number that's shown exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, I highly recommend you build one. It directly connects your business with the citations and helps you rank on this map. And you get a lot of exposure. It's important to be here. There's a lot of exposure. A lot of people type Google, excuse me, I'm sorry, something near me, gas station near me, repair near me, food near me, and the map generates a lot of exposure like that, especially if you hear citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, um, and that's what ranks you in the map. Everything under the map is considered an organic ranking aside from an advertisement like Yelp. So this is where Google looks at your citations, I'm sorry, your backlinks, your content, your SEO, and whatever is relevant to what's being searched at the time, and compiling that is what puts together the package that Google refers to as trusted or popular, and then they rank you. They put you here. This is how you get the rank. So I looked up, obviously, automotive repair in Richmond, Virginia, but I didn't see you on the first page. Then I wanted to take a look into this tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs, and it shows me what your site's working with or what you have. You have 107 backlinks. Backlinks is where one website is linked to another, or it's more like an endorsement from one website to your website from another, and Google uses that to build trust. And then from that, looks like you've got 25 domains from those 107 backlinks. It looks as though you've got about 111 keywords, and that's generating you 224 views a month from your keywords. Now, when you take a look at the competitor's website, just for an example, I think I went with Complete Automotive Richmond. I have their site. I plugged them into the same tool. They have 308 backlinks and 42 domains from that. And they've got, let's see, 771 keywords, and that's generating them 923 views roughly a month. So they're getting a lot of exposure. They're getting a lot of traffic. They have more backlinks. They have more referring domains. Google sees them as more trustworthy, more established, more credible. And to give you an idea of the keywords and what kind of exposure that's generating for them, this volume is by month. So we have Complete Automotive is 3,000 times. Auto Repair in Richmond, Complete Automotive, Richmond, Auto Repair in Richmond, Virginia, Auto Repair Richmond, Virginia, Automotive Auto, Complete Automotive Care, Car Repair Richmond. You quickly start to see the kind of exposure rates that you're missing out on when you're not using the right content and the right keywords to get yourself positioned on that first page of Google. It's critical to getting out there, to getting ranked. Most people, they don't go past the first page of Google. So with that being said, I do hope, and not all backlinks are created equal. You want to have a strong domain rank. You want to have some references there. This is strong. Not everything is equal, but they have 0 on the referring domains, but they do have some links. Let's take a look over here just real quick, see what's going on with them to give you an example. On this particular domain, this particular site, they're getting 658,000 views on this superpages.com as a backlink. So that's pretty strong. There's a lot of traffic there. Of course, that all refers back to them, and they have 28 linked domains throughout their content, and that's creating a lot of exposure. So things like that are used to rank them. Hope you get a better understanding of how content and backlinks and citations come together. That's how you can generate some exposure. It's how Google starts to put trust in you and build value in your company and your site, and obviously rank you to the first page. So you can get some more eyes on you, generate some more customers. Customers revenue. So hopefully you understand the importance a little bit more of a well-built website and the value that it can bring to your company. If you find yourself wanting some more info, we could talk. I could do some research, find out exactly what would be realistic for you or your goals. And again, I just want to thank you for taking the time to watch this, and have a great day.